Staying healthy may seem like a task and a half, especially these days if you are taking your vitamins and eating right. It should be enough, right or wrong. We are sure you have why some of your friends seems to have such solid immune system while you are sneezing and wheezing every turn of the season. The answer is simple. People who really get sick often have tiny habits that contribute to better health whether they know that or not. As compiled from various researchers, here are 10 easy habits that may help you to steer clear of flu, cold, and even coronavirus. So, our today topic is 10 healthy habits of people who really get sick. So, first important tip is drinking enough water. We know what you are thinking. Water will not flush out coronavirus, but it will flush out other risky germs from your system. Stay hydrated. Take your weight in pounds, divide in half. That is approximately how many ounces of water you need a day. Second most important tip is good night's sleep. Studies have found that our immune system suffers immensely when we don't get enough sleep, which means we are more prone to getting sick. When we sleep, the body gets a chance to recuperate, repair and rejuvenate. So many doctors recommending around that 8 to 9 hours of sleep. The third most important tip is disinfect phone and work surfaces. Yes, it sounds like a bit high maintenance, but trust us, it is really not. It takes up exactly a minute or even under that and requires as much as our disinfecting wiper surface. Plus, most of us don't realize just how dirty our phone screen are. Use bleach-free disinfecting wipes or regular 70% alcohol wipes to clean keyboards and other surfaces at the offices, which is advised by the professional physicians. The fourth important tip is get regular flu shots. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the single best way to protect against the flu is to get vaccinated every year. However, the vaccines may not protect against every strain of the virus. You may still get sick, but at least your symptoms will be milder. Fifth important tip is get active and go outside. It is not uncommon that many of us are sitting in front of a computer screen, TV or a mobile phone for many hours of the day, and this promotes a sedentary lifestyle. Getting outside and breathing fresh air promotes a more active lifestyle and helps with the circulation, provides stress relief and improves well-being. The sixth important tip is drink warm water. Hot drinks have always been a favorite when it comes to flu. They help improve mucus flow. Drinking warm water generally may help you too if you get sick often. So drink warm water with raw honey added to it. You can also add some organic lemon juice or cinnamon stick in it. The seventh important tip is try essential oils. Although more research is needed in this regard, many people report essential oils to be super helpful with stress and sleep, which is backed up by the National Sleep Foundation in America, and also the various important articles suggest that some essential oils such as bergamot oil may have antiviral properties. Eighth important tip is don't go overboard. Yes, there is such a thing as too much. Exposure to all kinds of bacteria is how we build an immune system that is balanced and strong. So our use of products that kill both good and bad bugs, including antibacterial soaps and hand sanitizers and antibiotics, have negative effect on our health as they limit the bacteria we are exposed to and kill off the good bugs that are protecting us. The ninth important tip is take supplements, especially zinc. A review in Open Forum Infectious Disease found that those who took zinc within the first 24 hours of the symptom had shorter colds. So if you do take zinc, take it in the form of syrup, which allow it to stay in the throat where it can come into contact with the virus like cold, say nutrition and fitness expert. The 10th important tip is change hand towels. Hand towels are more prone to germs because multiple people use them and they might not be properly cleaning their hands. Viral transmission can happen fairly quickly within the home. So if a family member is sick, changing sheets and pillowcases can also help reduce the likelihood of transmission. So here is our detailed video on 10 healthy habits of people who rarely get sick in his life. I hope you will enjoy this important and very informative video for your healthy habits, and please subscribe Health So Simple for more important and latest videos.